the BoXYCHARM pop-up and the BoxyCharm Beauty Bash, which I'm so excited and pumped for this sale, you guys. You guys have no idea, especially seeing some of the sneak peeks. My wallet's gonna hurt. But anyways, for all of those that are new to my channel or returning subscribers, welcome and thank you guys so much for your continued support. And I do want to remind you that I do have a giveaway that's closing today, so if you haven't entered, make sure you do so. For all of those that don't know, BoxyCharm is a beauty subscription where they start off with the base box, which is $25 per month, and you get 5 full-size items with a minimum retail value of $120 each and every month. And they also offer premium, which premium is $35 per month, and we get 6 to 7 full-size items and a minimum retail value of $175. Now, every third month, we also have the option to upgrade our base boxes to BoxyCharm Luxe, which that's an additional $24.99 on top of the base box price. So for a total retail value of $49.99 for that 1 month, but you get 8 to 9 full-size items, and you also get to customize 2 to 3 items. And I recently did upload a video discussing Luxe and sneak peeks and things of that sort, so I'm gonna link it up in the cards and down in the description. You can get more details about it. But anyways, you guys, I'm so excited. But let's get started with the BoxyCharm base box. This way you guys can see some of the variations available for this month. So let's get started and begin this unboxing. And just so you know, I created this look using a few of the items I did receive. So of course, I already took a little sneak peek because I wanted to see what I got. So this box is gifted to me by BoxyCharm, but you guys know, no matter what the situation is, I will always my honest thoughts and opinions on whatever I receive, whether it's a gift or a paid subscription. I do have a paid subscription as well, which will be arriving sometime next week. And once I receive that box, I will actually be doing an unboxing and tutorial at that time using both boxes. This way I get more items to create, like, hopefully a full look. But anyways, so let's get started and let's begin this unboxing. So I do want to mention, I apologize if you guys can hear the gardeners. I've literally had to start over 6 times so far this morning because they leave and come back, leave and come back. So I do apologize, you guys. I will try my best to filter them out in my video editing. This is my BoxyCharm base box, and this month they made sure to have it nicely, very nicely packaged, because we have a very special goodie inside. And here is our card for this month, and our theme is Harvest, because it's fall and it's almost Thanksgiving and almost Christmas. So I did receive variation 33, just if you're wondering. I will try to find out what the weight was on the box, because I know many times people do ask for that, and I'll leave it down in the description and in a pinned comment. But here's a little sneak peek of my goodies that I received this month. And as you can see right there, there's a 25% off coupon code for Natasha Denona. Natasha Denona is one of the featured brands for this month's BoxyCharm base box. So this beautiful palette right here was created exclusively for BoxyCharm, you guys. This is one of the $48 palettes actually, and this one has 4 mattes and 1 shimmer. And I pretty much used all the shades in this palette to do this look. I wanted to create something very nice and very simple. Could be, you know, on the go. Like, it literally took me like 5 minutes to get this done. So look at the shades. Natasha Denona Peak Palette, a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm tone palettes, which I love warm tones. And it says eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes, composed of both creamy mattes and metallic formulas from the cult classic Biba Safari Sunrise. It says the eyeshadow palette you'll find yourself reaching for all season long. So like literally this little 5-pan eyeshadow palette, if you're someone that loves warm tones, this will probably be like your essentials palette for all fall and winter, because it's just like so quick, easy, on the go. So I'm gonna just do a quick swatch, you guys, and show you.
Beautiful these are. Look at that. Look at that cream. So gorgeous. The orangey.
Well, this is a more of a bone shade anyways, but this palette is just so gorgeous, and I've fallen in love with Natasha Denona ever since I was lucky enough to get her Blush and Bloom palette last year in BOXYCHARM. So I'm just so thankful to have now another eyeshadow palette. So the next item I received was from Milk Cosmetics. This is their Kush waterproof mascara, and this retails for $24. So this is a Kush mascara, and it's waterproof, and I really like the wand. Look at that. It's a nice thick wand. If you do happen to get any excess, just rub it in the tube. But I really liked how I was able to get in there on the bottom of the lash, like the base of my lash, and just comb it up, and it didn't tug or nothing. And I think I layered it about twice, and no clumping, no flaking, no nothing. So I love that. Really wanted to try the Kush mascara, and I recently, in one of my previous orders, I picked up the Kush clear brow, so I'm excited to try more from Milk. So the next item I got, this is from Yensa. This is their Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. It says a 2-in-1 mask infused with 8 orange skin-loving ingredients to help nourish and polish your face for a hydrated, smooth, supple, and radiant complexion. The lightweight and exfoliating formula surfaces in the skin, only needs 5 to 10 minutes. That's awesome, and it retails for $48. I have really wanted to try more from Yensa, and so I'm excited to give this a go. Like, I heard was it a BB cream or CC cream? I heard it's really good, so that's also on my radar. I like how it's in theme for the holidays, and I know turmeric is really good, especially for acne prone skin, which for me, I've been having a lot of acne due to hormonal imbalances kind of deal. So I'm excited to give this a go. Now you guys, this is from Alamar. This is Pero Primero Prima. This is basically saying, but first, prime. And that's so very true, right? Without priming, it's a crime. This is a long wear sticky pigment base. It says it's a water-based primer designed to glue the eyeshadow in place to maximize the color and pearl dimension. It's a water and wear resistant, enriched with shea butter to provide skin conditioning and moisturizing benefits. It also works as a glitter glue. And it says mix with your favorite concealer and customize the primer shade. That's actually really cool that you can customize it. Now for my last item, and I'm super excited, from Peach and Lily. This is their Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. Peach and Lily Gel Cleanser retails for $28. This cleansing properly can be the difference between healthy skin and problem-prone skin. This gentle, sulfate-free cleanser contains no harmful ingredients and keeps your skin barrier intact, so you can start your routine right with the skin that feels deeply cleansed, refreshed, and hydrated. So that sounds really cool. And it has chamomile inside, so that's very soothing and nourishing. So I'm excited to give this a go. I love cleansers. We go through cleansers in my household, of course, pretty frequently, so I'm always happy to try something new. And I did enjoy their toner when I received it almost about a year ago now, also through BOXYCHARM. Overall, I think my box was freaking bomb, you guys. Like, this was an incredible box. I'm gonna post the total retail value right here, and definitely it's way over $120. But let me know what you guys think about my November BoxyCharm base box, which again was gifted to me by BoxyCharm. Now for the big announcement, the big announcement. So, as I mentioned in my previous video, on November 9th, BoxyCharm is going to begin BoxyCharm pop-up, and they're also going to begin choice day, which your choice day will be for base box if you only get base box, premium, and it will also be choice day for Luxe. So if you are upgrading to Luxe, that will be your date as well. Well, BoxyCharm will also be doing this new feature that from November 9th to the 22nd, they're going to be calling it the BoxyBeautyBash. On this date, you will be able to find products up to 80% off. That's mind-blowing. This will literally help you guys stock up and be ready for the holiday season, so that you can literally find anything and everything for all those special people in your life that you want to, give them a little something, or stock up on your yearly favorites. And on top of the regular Boxy pop-up beauty bash, they will also be offering daily deals. These daily deals will be hot items where they're going to be like 80 to 90% off. So, and bundle packages as well. So you definitely want to keep an eye out on those. And on top of that, some of the brands that are being featured are Smashbox, Milk Makeup, Morphe, Fenty, Too Faced, and many more. And I'm gonna pop in a video right now and go over some of the featured items that I've already managed to find. So are you ready for the Beauty Bash and Boxy pop-up? So it will begin, as I mentioned, on November 9th, which is this coming Monday, and it will begin at 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And as you can see, these are some of the products that you'll be able to find during this time. Now, a really neat feature that I recently found out is you see all these little hearts. You can, if you're interested in an item, you can actually click that heart and it will stay in your favorites. So when the day comes, you're able to go straight to your favorites cart and actually begin doing checkout right away. So this will really help cut in time, because how many times have we missed out on some of our favorites sneak peeks due to them selling out so fast before we can actually get to that section. And every single day they will also be offering flash sales where, again, they're going to be about 80-85% off. I mean, come on, Kevin Aquan, $24 Glow Recipe. You really do not want to miss out. Like, these deals, they're unheard of. And look at these Monday tech deal blowouts. The hair dryer brush, $29. The blow dryer, $29. The red light therapy, the blowout brush. I'm so shocked. I need it. I really do. And something that I've wanted so much is that Milk lip balm and Touch and Soul, $6. Like, come on, you guys. Like, do you guys want to miss out on these deals? Again, make sure you guys have your carts ready. Start checking out and browsing, and look at these bundle deals that I was insinuating to. These are gonna be insane. Luxie brush set, 2 for $4. The Sol de Janeiro, these are the smaller travel size, again, but still $3. IGK, $6 for the bundle. MAC lipstick, $4. Like, the list goes on. Like, I'm ready. I'm gonna be shopping for sure between November 23rd through December 11th. They will also be having other big deals running as well. They will be announced here shortly, so stay tuned and keep an eye out, and again, keep your notifications on because I will be coming back with that information as soon as I get it, you guys. And if you're currently not subscribed to BoxyCharm, I do have an affiliate link down below, and you do not want to miss out on the sale. So join now, and this way you can take advantage of these incredible deals. Just as a reminder, you guys, Boxy pop-up is different from add-ons. Pop-up is done every 3 months, and they offer a lot more brands, a lot more products, and it runs for an extended period of time, like more than just a few days. This runs for 2 weeks. This runs in November, of course, February, May, and it runs in August. So again, this is the time where you're able to stock up on so many of your favorites and a lot of brands that have not been featured in BoxyCharm throughout the year. But in my personal opinion, these are brands that will hopefully be featured soon enough, because once they're in pop-up, it's almost like a given that eventually they'll make it into the box. Let me know what you guys think about my BoxyCharm base box. And again, are you guys excited for the BoxyBeautyBash? I know I am. Again, this is something new. BoxyCharm is going to be doing flash sales every single day. They'll be adding new items as well, whatever they start off with. So, keep looking every single morning because new things will be added. So I'm really excited for that, because nowadays we're trying to all save a little bit of coins somewhere. Not all of us have an extensive bank account where we can afford to go to the store and purchase a $30, $40 blush, like that Lila blush. I'm like, I can't believe it, I'll finally be able to afford it. And the Hank and Henry, I missed out during launch because I didn't have the funds at the time. So find out that it's going to be available during pop-up for $9. I'm so ecstatic. I'll be able to buy all 4 for $36, and I love Hank and Henry. You guys know that. You guys know I love my Hank and Henry. The BoxyBeautyBash deals, you guys, are more affordable, less expensive, okay, than the Sephora deals, Rouge sale, and more affordable than even the 21 Days of Beauty. But anyways, again, let me know what you guys think. Are you guys pumped? Are you guys going to start making your list? And again, make your list. Check it twice, check it 3 times. Make sure you don't miss anyone this holiday season, and don't miss yourself. You got to treat yourself every so often, right? But thank you guys all so very much. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to, before you head out, hit that subscribe button and give me a big old thumbs up if you haven't done so as of yet. And remember to take care, be safe, and I will catch you all in the next one. Goodbye.